Skin tags and warts. Many people have them. They can be annoying, but you don't have to live with them. These small growths are usually harmless. They're not cancerous, but they can make you feel self-conscious. In this essay, we'll explore ways to remove skin tags and warts. We'll look at natural remedies and medical treatments. You can find the right solution for you. Skin tags are small, soft pieces of skin. They stick out on a stalk. They're painless and harmless. They often appear in skin folds. You might find them on your neck, armpits, or groin. They can also show up on your eyelids. Skin tags are more common as we age. They're also more common in people who are overweight. Warts are different from skin tags. They're caused by a virus. The virus is called human papillomavirus, or HPV. Warts can appear anywhere on the body. They're contagious. You can get them from touching someone else who has them. There are many types of warts. Common warts are rough and gray. Plantar warts grow on the soles of the feet. There are many ways to treat skin tags and warts. Some treatments are done at home. Others are done by a doctor. Over-the-counter treatments can work. These include salicylic acid and freezing methods. These treatments take time. They might not work for everyone. For stubborn skin tags and warts, see a doctor. They can offer stronger treatments. These include cryotherapy and laser removal. Section 5. Effective overnight removal factor fiction. Many people want to remove skin tags and warts fast. They want them gone overnight, but is this possible? The truth is, most treatments take time. You need to be patient. It's important to follow the instructions carefully. Some home remedies claim to work overnight, but there's little scientific evidence to support these claims. Section 6. Natural remedies. Can they really help? In this section, we will explore the world of natural remedies and their potential benefits. Many people are turning to these alternatives in hopes of finding safer and more holistic solutions to their health concerns. Some people prefer natural remedies. They believe that these options are gentler on the body and come with fewer side effects compared to conventional medications. The appeal of using ingredients that are often found in nature is strong, and many feel a sense of empowerment by taking control of their health in this way. They want to avoid harsh chemicals. Concerns about the long-term effects of synthetic substances have led many to seek out natural alternatives. The idea is to minimize exposure to potentially harmful ingredients and to use products that are perceived as being more in harmony with the body's natural processes. There are a few options you can try, from herbal teas to essential oils. The range of natural remedies is vast. Each remedy comes with its own set of purported benefits, and many have been used for centuries in traditional medicine practices around the world. Apple cider vinegar is a popular remedy. It's often touted for its ability to aid digestion, support weight loss, and even improve skin health. Many people incorporate it into their daily routines, either by drinking it diluted in water or using it topically. It's said to have antiviral properties. Some studies suggest that apple cider vinegar can help fight off infections and boost the immune system. However, it's important to use it correctly to avoid any potential side effects, such as tooth enamel erosion or digestive discomfort. Tea tree oil is another option. It has antimicrobial effects. This essential oil is often used to treat skin conditions like acne, fungal infections, and minor cuts. Its potent properties make it a staple in many natural remedy toolkits. It's important to note that natural remedies aren't always effective. While many people swear by them, scientific evidence can be limited or mixed. What works for one person might not work for another, and some remedies can even cause adverse reactions. They might not work for everyone. It's crucial to approach natural remedies with an open mind, but also with a healthy dose of skepticism. Consulting with a healthcare professional before starting any new treatment is always a good idea to ensure safety and efficacy. Section 7. Seeking professional medical treatment. If you're concerned about skin tags or warts, see a doctor. Skin tags and warts are common skin conditions that can cause discomfort or embarrassment. While they are usually harmless, it's important to get a professional opinion to ensure they are not indicative of a more serious issue. Consulting with a dermatologist can provide peace of mind and a clear path forward for treatment. They can diagnose the problem. Dermatologists are trained to identify various skin conditions and can differentiate between benign growths and those that may require further investigation. During your consultation, the doctor will examine your skin closely, often using specialized tools like a dermatoscope to get a better view of the affected area. This thorough examination is crucial for an accurate diagnosis. They can recommend the best treatment for you. Based on the diagnosis, the dermatologist will discuss various treatment options. These may include topical treatments, cryotherapy, or minor surgical procedures. The doctor will explain the benefits and potential risks of each option, helping you make an informed decision about your care. Personalized treatment plans ensure that you receive the most effective and appropriate care for your specific condition. Don't try to remove skin tags or warts yourself. This can be dangerous. Many people are tempted to use over-the-counter remedies or home treatments to remove skin tags and warts. However, these methods can be ineffective and may even cause harm. Improper removal techniques can lead to complications such as bleeding, infection, and scarring. It's always best to seek professional medical advice before attempting any self-care measures. It can lead to infection or scarring. When skin tags or warts are not removed correctly, the risk of infection increases significantly. Infections can cause redness, swelling, and pain, and may require additional medical treatment. Scarring is another common consequence of improper removal, which can leave permanent marks on your skin. To avoid these issues, trust a healthcare professional to handle the removal process safely. A doctor can remove skin tags and warts safely. Dermatologists have the expertise and tools needed to remove skin tags and warts with minimal risk. Procedures are typically quick and performed in the doctor's office, often with little to no discomfort. By choosing professional removal, you can ensure that the process is done correctly and safely, reducing the likelihood of complications. They can also make sure the growths aren't cancerous. One of the most important reasons to see a dermatologist for skin tags or warts is to rule out the possibility of skin cancer. While most skin tags and warts are benign, some growths can be indicative of more serious conditions. A dermatologist can perform a biopsy if necessary, ensuring that any suspicious growths are thoroughly examined. Early detection and treatment of skin cancer can significantly improve outcomes, making regular skin checks an essential part of your healthcare routine. Section 8. Taking control of your skin health. Your skin is not just a barrier, it's a reflection of your overall health and well-being. Taking control of your skin health is essential for maintaining a vibrant and youthful appearance. In this section, we'll explore various ways to care for your skin and keep it looking its best. Your skin is your largest organ. It serves as a protective shield against environmental hazards, helps regulate body temperature, and allows you to feel sensations. The health of your skin can also be an indicator of your overall health. When your skin is healthy, it can better perform its functions and give you a radiant appearance. It's important to take care of it. A good skincare routine is essential for maintaining healthy skin. This includes cleansing, moisturizing, and protecting your skin from harmful elements. Using the right products for your skin type can make a significant difference. Regularly washing your face helps remove dirt, oil, and impurities that can clog pores and lead to breakouts. You can do this by eating a healthy diet. What you eat has a direct impact on the health of your skin. Consuming a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats can provide your skin with the nutrients it needs to stay healthy. Foods high in antioxidants, such as berries and leafy greens, can help protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals, and protecting your skin from the sun. Sun exposure is one of the leading causes of skin damage and premature aging. Applying sunscreen with at least SPF 30 every day, even on cloudy days, can help protect your skin from harmful UV rays. Wearing protective clothing, such as hats and long sleeves, and seeking shade during peak sun hours, can also reduce your risk of sun damage. If you have skin tags or warts, don't panic. These common skin conditions can be bothersome, but they are usually harmless. Skin tags are small, soft growths that often appear in areas where the skin folds, such as the neck, armpits, and groin. Warts are caused by a viral infection and can appear on any part of the body. There are many effective treatments available. Over-the-counter treatments, such as salicylic acid and cryotherapy, can be effective for removing warts. For skin tags, your doctor may recommend procedures such as cutting, freezing, or burning them off. It's important to consult with a healthcare professional to determine the best treatment option for your specific condition. Talk to your doctor about your options. A dermatologist can provide you with personalized advice and treatment plans to address your skin concerns. Regular checkups with a dermatologist can help detect any potential skin issues early and ensure that your skin remains healthy. By taking care of your skin, you can feel confident and healthy. Healthy skin can boost your self-esteem and make you feel more comfortable in your own skin. When you take the time to care for your skin, you're investing in your overall well-being. You can enjoy smooth, clear skin for years to come. With the right care and attention, your skin can remain healthy and beautiful throughout your life. Remember, your skin is a reflection of your overall health, so take the time to nurture it and give it the care it deserves. Section 9. Learn more about skin tag and wart removal. Want to learn more? Visit my website. You'll find more information about skin tags and warts. You'll also find tips on how to prevent them. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you know about your skin, the better you can take care of it. Stay healthy.